Uh, um, I have no school today, so today we're gonna do another Roblox thing. Yeah. And here, if you ever wanted to beat this game, I will show you the tactic. Bro, Percy, you better. Oh, good. Okay. Oh! Ah, the Oreo face. It's eating up. Oh shoot. Ah! Oh, good. The tactic. Go to this side. Okay. Slow. Oh my. Slow. Oh my gosh. Oh. No. Oh. Yes. It worked. Percy, let's go. Slowly. Slow. Good. Ah! Into the swimming pool. Oh gosh, now I'm just driving. Okay. Whee! Oh no! Oh my gosh. Oh, goodbye world. Okay, next game. What should be the next game? Let's go. Yeah, I can wait. You guys, you can wait. What's that? Action Canyon Trackmaster. Yes. This is peak. This is the peak. The peak of this is the peak of Roblox games. Like, bro. Okay. It's just like your okay, let's go slow. I remember that the post I made. Like if I go fast as a train, okay. Let's go. Let's do not go fast. Let's not go that fast. Good so far. Oh, anchor. Oh. Wait, up! Okay. Whoa! Oh. I thought I crashed. Oh no! No! Okay. On to the next game again. This time I will just let you check what I'm doing. What I'm gonna pick. This is the peak. Not that one, this one, yeah. So I actually left the game because I was getting copyright. Yeah. I was getting some copyright, and then this was actually the game that I was supposed to play. See? Okay. I was just getting copyright of the other one. Okay, where's... Oh. There's two absolute people. Two people. I'll show you a secret, guys. If you ever want... If you've never seen this secret. I know you might... Oh. I feel bad for Thomas. You might have seen it with another Roblox YouTuber, but hallelujah. Duck. Wait, this is not duck. Wait, this is duck. My mind just goes. Okay. Looks like someone else already found it, but they just died. Okay, let's go. Woo! Wait. Okay, probably deserved that. Actually, you know what? This is gonna be one quick one. This is gonna be a quick one, so... Oh, shoot! As you can see, I'm also getting copyright from the outside. The classic. This is the classic. I used to play this game before. Before there was nothing in the inventory. No, I don't want to go in the track. Help! Oh, yes. Feed me. Help! Stuck again. Okay, just come back. Let's see this. Just came back to see this one. What happened? Oh. Okay. Goodbye, man. I accidentally paused it. I was supposed to end it. Just please subscribe if you want.